at you here with a 2017 Denali GMC. Really nice truck for a really nice person. And if you see what we're looking at, it has a white scuff. Might actually be a chip in the paint. I can feel a little ridge with my fingernail, so that's how you can tell if it's actually gone through the paint or not. I buffed out the white scuff, a high ridge right there, and then a dent. I gained access, and the brace runs like this. So I can slide my tool up like that and get to about half of that dent. We'll see that when I move some more metal out, I could probably get a little bit farther. But first things first, let's tap down that brow. I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on this video. We've got the microphone attached to the phone today, so it's not on me. Hopefully we'll have good sound. Spin my hat around for you. And I've got it slightly warm. Let's turn it up a little bit more. I'm going to have to try to speak a little bit louder. But let's get it warm and let's start tapping. I'm going to just get this high ridge down. That's a tight little ridge. Now my hand's starting to get warm because this thing's blown right on it. Now this one, guys, I don't know if we're going to keep you in for the whole thing because it's going to take some time. I planned about 45 minutes for this dent. Let me show you what I'm talking about as far as the access goes. I'm going to take number one, get behind the grommet here, and find that brace. The tip of my tool is right here now, and if I just kind of slide up, I can baby myself right into the bottom of that dent. Now, I don't want to instantly just start making severe pushes. I want to really slowly take that metal up, and I might even want to get it a little hotter. Let's go this way. And now when I'm moving this metal really slowly, the reason why that thing is high and still high is because it goes up against the rivet on the brace itself. So guys, I'm just going to dial right into the center of this, take some of the meat out, and use real delicate pushes. So, kind of went into Zen mode there. And when I'm working this tough of a little area, it's kind of tough to commentate. But we will do what we can. Now I got all the way up to the top. So now that I got to the top, I'm going to use that leverage to bring out some more metal up there. Oh, little break time. Move the board a little bit. See if I can. Yeah, now that that dent has moved a little, let's turn that off, and let's come back and try to get some of this high ridge out. It's going to be a lot of back and forth on this one. Tap and push until it's nice and flat. I don't know if we're going to do the super speedy or if we're just going to come back and show you the end result. But, we've moved some metal. And these are just baby taps, guys. So, on that note, thanks again, everybody, for clicking on this video. If you want to hit the subscribe button, we sure appreciate it. We love to see the channel grow and all the community grow. Everybody learning something and having fun. So tough to see. Getting there. Okay guys, here's what we ended up with. I showed it to the customer and he said he's happy with it. I'm happy with the way it came out because it was really stretched. We do have that tight little poke where it was the most stretched. Gave it a little bit of touch up on that little white scuff. And for the most part, I think we got what we wanted to get out of that one. It was really tough there for a minute. I think we spent about an hour on this one. But, you know, like I say, I showed the customer and he's super happy with it. I'm pretty happy with the way it came out too. We did have one little touch-up piece. I see a little white thing in there. I might put a little piece of touch-up on that too. But other than that, I'll just say the thing, you know. Thanks guys for sticking around with us here. And this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.